We are leading the nation in the development of fuel cell and alternative energy technologies that we can use today and in the future for low emissions and high efficiency energy conversion. My name is Jack Brower. I'm the Associate Director of the National Fuel Cell Research Center at UC Irvine. At the Fuel Cell Research Center, we do research on fuel cell technology and on hydrogen technology that will be used, and that is, as a matter of fact, being used for stationary power production and also for transportation applications here in California. So we've been working with companies like Toyota and Air Products to actually advance vehicle technology that uses fuel cells. The cars that we're driving today have different systems for actually managing how you actually put the hydrogen in, how you put the air in, what happens when you shut the engine down and how it clears the water out of the fuel cell and everything. And because of that, it's able to last a lot longer. You're able to start with less platinum. It costs a lot less. A lot of researchers around the world are doing things like in the material science. And the material science is very important, but we also need to build integrated systems around these material sets. We do research both on how you can actually make that PEM fuel cell work well in automobiles, but also in the means by which you can actually produce the hydrogen and then bring that hydrogen, deliver that hydrogen to those vehicles, like at your local hydrogen fueling station. The anaerobic digester gas is made from wastewater that comes from our sewer system here in Orange County. There are bugs, that digest the sewer, and they produce a methane-rich gas, and that methane-rich gas goes into a high-temperature fuel cell that produces electricity, heat, and hydrogen. And we subsequently take this hydrogen. This is really cool. We take hydrogen from this high-temperature fuel cell, and we purify it, pressurize it, and stick it into vehicles. So we have 100% renewable electricity, heat, and hydrogen that goes into vehicles for zero emissions transportation from a waste stream. At the National Fuel Cell Research Center, we've been one of the first places in the world to actually demonstrate hydrogen fueling infrastructure, and we've been fortunate to work with our partners, with Air Products, Toyota, and other fuel cell vehicle manufacturers to actually be the first place in the world to demonstrate high-pressure fueling and fueling at various pressures. We also are participating in the development of hydrogen infrastructure in general. And right here on Jamboree in Irvine, we actually have 2 hydrogen fueling stations already. Probably the first place in the world that we actually have 2 hydrogen fueling stations. It's really these integrated system approaches that make the difference.